Tucked into a narrow residential plot in Shiga, Japan, Minakuchi House sits on a site that is only about 7 meters wide but stretches roughly 36 meters deep. Designing a comfortable family home on such a long and slender piece of land presented a clear challenge. Rather than fighting the constraints of the site, the architects chose to embrace them. The building is positioned toward the northern edge of the property, allowing the southern side to remain open to light and air. This move establishes a simple, elongated layout that takes full advantage of natural daylight coming from the south. The house itself follows that same long and narrow geometry, creating a straightforward spatial organization that guides movement from one end of the home to the other. Instead of dividing the interior into many fragmented rooms, the design relies on a clear linear flow. This approach helps the relatively small 102 square meter home feel more spacious, while also allowing daylight to travel deeper into the interior. By keeping the structure simple, the architects focused on creating a strong connection between the indoor spaces and the surrounding outdoor environment. One of the most distinctive elements of the project is the small inner courtyard placed on the southern side of the house. This courtyard acts almost like a living picture frame for nature. A circular wooden element sits against a backdrop of a concrete wall, while small trees and natural stones create a quiet garden composition. From inside the house, the view of this courtyard becomes a focal point, almost like looking at a framed landscape painting that changes throughout the day. Because of this carefully positioned courtyard, nature becomes part of the daily experience of the home. Sunlight shifts across the walls, shadows move through the space, and the small garden reflects the passing seasons. Rather than relying on dramatic forms or complex architecture, Minakuchi House demonstrates how a modest home can create a rich living environment through light, proportion, and a thoughtful relationship between interior and exterior space.